Well, a cold front moved in last night, and temperature now is -9 Celsius. So let's start the Case diesel tractor cold start. Hasn't been running for a few days. It doesn't have any glow plugs or any kind of system to make it start in the cold, so it needs a shot of ether, which is down there. Yeah. So the purpose of this video is just to plow the driveway. See? Got some extra snow. So to ether this baby all up, I gotta get the air intake clear of snow. And give her a squirt. Never too much. You can blow your engine, crack a piston. And I'll jump the starter since the starter button never seems to work in the cold. Pretty good for such an old 1974 2-liter tractor. Once she's warmed up, we'll be ready to plow. I haven't got anything for you. You already got your nip. Aw. Just wanted a hug, I guess. And Teddy needs his fix.